Most people stay stuck because they chase big results. They want the big jump, the big leap, the big change. But big results require big pressure, and big pressure leads to hesitation, fear delay, inconsistency. This is why most people start strong and stop quickly. The wealthy don't chase big results. They chase small wins that stack. Wins that build confidence. Wins that build clarity. Wins that build momentum. The momentum ladder is a simple structure with 4 levels. 1. Micro wins. Tiny actions that require almost no effort. 2. Daily wins. Small actions that move you forward every day. 3. Weekly wins. Bigger actions that create visible progress. 4. Monthly wins. Major actions that shift your long-term direction. The wealthy climb this ladder over and over. Every level builds on the one below it. This is how momentum becomes automatic. Small wins do something powerful. They remove resistance. Resistance is the force that stops progress. It shows up as doubt, fear, procrastination, confusion, feeling overwhelmed. Small wins destroy resistance. They make progress feel easy. They make progress feel natural. They make progress feel automatic. The wealthy do not rely on motivation. They rely on momentum. Here's how the system works from bottom to top. Level 1. Micro wins. Micro wins are tiny actions that take less than 2 minutes. They are designed to be impossible to fail. Examples: writing 1 sentence, reading 1 page, organizing 1 item, sending 1 message, reviewing 1 note. Micro wins create motion. Motion creates momentum. Level 2. Daily wins. Daily wins are small actions that move you forward every day. They take 5 to 15 minutes. Examples: planning your day, reviewing your goals, learning 1 new concept, improving 1 skill, completing 1 small task. Daily wins build consistency. Consistency builds confidence. Level 3. Weekly wins. Weekly wins are actions that create visible progress. They take 30-60 minutes. Examples: completing a project milestone, creating a piece of content, improving a system, reviewing your finances, building a new habit weekly. Wins build progress. Progress builds belief. Level 4. Monthly wins. Monthly wins are major actions that shift your long-term direction. Examples: launching a new idea, starting a new system, investing in a new asset, completing a major project, upgrading your environment. Monthly wins build transformation. Transformation builds wealth. The momentum ladder works because each level fuels the next. Micro wins, daily wins. You start the day with motion. Daily wins, weekly wins. You build consistency that compounds. Weekly wins, monthly wins. You create visible progress that builds belief. Monthly wins, identity shift. You begin to see yourself as someone who moves forward, someone who grows, someone who builds. This identity shift is the real engine of wealth. Here's the simple version. 1. Choose 1 micro win, something tiny, something easy, something you can do every day. 2. Choose 1 daily win, something that moves you forward, something that builds consistency. 3. Choose 1 weekly win, something that creates visible progress. 4. Choose 1 monthly win, something that shifts your long-term direction. Write them down. Follow them for 30 days. Watch your momentum explode. Stop chasing big results. Start stacking small wins. Stop waiting for motivation. Start building momentum. Stop trying to leap forward. Start climbing the ladder. The moment you commit to the momentum ladder, your progress becomes predictable, your confidence becomes unshakable, and your future becomes unstoppable. Wealth is not built through big moments. It is built through momentum. Momentum created by small wins. Momentum created by consistent action. Momentum created by a system. If you're ready to build unstoppable progress, subscribe to the Money Blueprint. This is how wealth is created, 1 win at a time.